was born and raised on a farm just west of Houston. My family grew rice in that area, and that's where my love of agriculture really started. I attended college at Texas A&M University, where I got my degree in agriculture systems management. I met my husband when I moved to Nebraska, and he was just getting started farming at that time. And we have been farming basically since we met. I started working for C&H about 19 years ago. On our farm, we run all Case IH equipment, and so it was just a natural progression to come work for the company that helps support our farm and our production. The most important one in my career was probably the supervisor at the time when I got into master scheduling. His name was Vern Cataline. He was very instrumental in helping me understand both manufacturing and how to schedule production to make our manufacturing as efficient as possible. So the most important mentoring that I've done so far has been with my 4 daughters. Our oldest daughter just graduated from college, and she works off of the farm full time, but still stays very active in helping us nearly every day. Her goal is to eventually come back to the farm full time and continue to help grow our production operation. The opportunities for women in agriculture are endless. There's really nothing that women can't accomplish. Women definitely have a big impact in agriculture today. You see more women getting involved in the production agriculture side. You know, more women are farming, more women are running the combines, running the windrowers, getting their presence out there to show our younger generations that, you know, you can do anything. You can run that combine, you can repair that combine if something happens, and you know, your opportunities are really endless.